Good afternoon. I'm Rami Nostad, head of the data engineering practice at Guidehouse. Today I'll be sharing a little bit about the data services platform, a multi-domain, modular, and turnkey data services architecture that we deploy for clients. I'll be talking about two aspects. One is the rationale, why we developed the data services platform, and two is just a little bit about the product itself. Obviously, more to come in a longer talk. The rationale as the story consists of people and data, like most stories. Um, the data side, I think we're all aware. Clients want solutions fast. Solutions need to be backed by data, and data is spread typically across disparate sources. Um, and our data scientists need access to that data, to be able to begin producing the items that are value add for the client, the analysis, the machine learning, all of the downstream activities. What we find is that data scientists typically are blocked by what's considered the data engineering portion of an engagement. And so data services platform was our way of solving that, making sure that data scientists and data analysts, data users are unblocked as early as possible. The people side of the story is that, and this comes from a great article by Jeff Magnuson at Stitch Fix, about why data engineers shouldn't be writing ETL. And the rationale is that you have exceptional data engineers, and what they want to be doing is they want to be building exceptional products that can be scaled. And you have exceptional data scientists and data analysts and data users that are doing great things and doing their exploratory data analysis, and then coming back and putting in tickets to say, well, we did our EDA, now we need these wrangling steps executed at scale on the entire data set. And so your data scientists are blocked, and your data engineers, instead of working on tools that can be scaled, they're spending their time writing ETL for downstream activities that they're not really in touch with. And the idea is to be able to separate these, to allow your DevOps engineers, your data engineers, to be working on a platform layer that enables your data scientist to then go in and do their wrangling, but do it in a safe way. So doing it in a way where you have your metadata, you understand your lineage, and you're not arbitrarily giving access and creating problems down the road. So bringing these two together is the rationale of the data services platform. Is to solve our data problem while keeping the people happy by allowing each party to do what they're specialized in and what they enjoy doing. So the data services platform itself encompasses a few different parts. You have your turnkey pipelines. And so your turnkey pipeline means that your data wrangler, whether that's your data scientist or your data user, has the ability to go in and do self-service wrangling, and to do that at scale. You can kind of think, obviously, Databricks notebooks. You can think Trifacta as examples of what that might look like. So workflow orchestration component, you can imagine something like Apache Airflow, or the orchestration within Databricks itself. And that one is obviously to create a centralized way of orchestrating all of these wrangling scripts, and all of the transformations and pipelines that one instance of the data services platform might have. Beyond that, you have your operations dashboard, and so that'll be capturing metrics such as the health of your infrastructure, the data that's flowing through, and the health of the data. It doesn't look at the data itself, so we're not talking about visualizations and dashboardings regarding your data. The underlying all of this is healthy DevOps and DataOps, as well as enforced data management and data governance. We'll get into much more detail in the longer talk, but this is kind of an overview of what the data services DataOps' platform is, and why we built it. We'll obviously be talking a bit about how Databricks is a part of that, and the partnership with Databricks that allowed us to go fairly fast in building out the DSP.